Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another one of my videos. I apologize, I know I haven't posted on this channel in a really long time, but I'm coming back with the bangers like I told you guys. These things are trending right now, so let's do this. Today we have Honk to see who pays for dinner. 2 honks, I have to pay for dinner, and 1 honk, Eric has to pay for dinner, and she's behind the camera. Guys, when you do this challenge, be careful, because like when you put this behind your car, you're blocking your plate. So we put our license plate over here. You have to make it visible for the cops, guys. Don't want you guys getting pulled over. Smash that like button for us, guys, if you're new to the channel. Trying to post notifications to subscribe to our channel. Okay, first things first, seatbelt, guys. Put on your seatbelt, and we'll keep track. One of us will keep track. Well, probably Erica, since I'm driving. So Erica's points will be over here, and my points will be over here. What? How many like points should we get to? Like 20?
20?
I think 20.
Whoever gets to 21st?
Whoever gets to 21st pays for dinner. If the person behind us honks twice, that means that's 1 point for me. And if the person behind us honks once, that means that's a point for Erica. We're just trying to do it different. We saw other people doing this, but we're switching it up and doing it our own way. Double side tape.
Was that a... Oh, I know.
No, that wasn't a honk. That was a actual horn. Oh, there's a car behind us. Ready?
That's 1!
Hey, that's 1! Hey, yo, thank you! Yes! I think it was a girl because I saw a pink license plate. Damn, she's on my side.
I feel like you're gonna win.
I hope I do. I'm hungry. How none of these cars behind me? Like there's a whole lineup of like 20 cars and none of them are behind me.
My guy just drove by staring like this.
No! She was like, girl, I got you.
Yes!
No! 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 Yo, she had her window down. She was like, girl, I got you.
Girl, I got you.
I feel like I'm gonna lose this now.
No.
Because there's a lot of girl drivers in Virginia Beach.
But I feel like people are like, the girl probably never pays in the
No, because the girls always, they're cool with like honking. The guys are just like, oh, whatever. I need them 2 honks. Actually, no, I need them 1 honk. No!
Ah! Yes!
No!
2 points for Bubby.
Damn. Alright, I'm 2, she's 1. Just honk once, do once, do once.
No. You text.
Honk once, people. Oh, that was a guy. Come on, bro. You couldn't like help me with the 1 honk, bro. Like, damn. Be a homie. I'm about to start paving. Like, they didn't even see my little message. I put a little message on the sign saying, please honk once. We're gonna drive around a little bit more. I just need them 1 honk. No!
Ah!
No! Alright, that's another one. No! No!
Yes,
No!
Hey, take the child lock off. 4 points for you.
That's not fair, bro. That's not fair. You letting the AC out.
You walk, girl. Hey, girl. Gotta stick out for each other.
That's not fair. There's too many girl drivers though, I told you. That was at 4?
That's 4 points for you,
4
Bob.
and you have 1?
Yes, sir.
Wait, no, you have to have you had 2.
No.
Oh, dang, man. That's not fair. That was like a combo. There was girls on both sides, so it's like, dang. Girl, I got you. If I see a dude honking twice, man, I'm gonna have to fight. Yo, honk once, bro.
He don't honk.
Honk once.
He don't honk.
He's not gonna honk. Men can't stick together. What the hell?
I guess not.
What is wrong with you guys? Give me 1 honk. That's a girl. Nope, gotta drive fast. Drive fast so she can't read.
They can't read it.
So she can't read it.
It's cheating.
Fair. There's too many girl drivers.
Right?
Yes!
No!
Yes!
Wow.
My man!
Wow.
1 point for you! That's what I'm talking about, brother.
Okay, I'm getting scared.
It even counts if it's like someone walking too, if they yell like, yo!
No, it doesn't.
I'm just joking.
You're like, honk!
Read the sign, brother, and honk once.
Brother.
Honk once, brother, come on. Oh, that's an old lady. Never mind. Speed up. Okay, guys, so I had to take it off the thing, the little tripod thing, because it just keeps slipping and falling down. But Erica's gonna drive now while I vlog us. Instead, I'm gonna keep tally now. So right now, it's 5 me, 2 Erica.
Where the car is at?
Little car behind.
That's 2 for you, boo!
Alright, listen, I didn't even see a car next to us. What the heck? Alright, so that's 6 me.
Thank you. And it was a guy!
It was a guy! Wow!
In your own species.
Wow, this guy right here. This guy, what are you doing, man? That was kind of cheating though, because his wife was in the car. If he honked once, like she would have beat that.
She would have like, babe, what the fuck?
Like, babe, you better honk twice. And if you honk once, you're sleeping on the couch. If Erica driving shit, I don't even know if I'll be alive to pay for the food. Or you can just make her at this Taco Bell. Come on. I'm just joking. You take everything.
Yes.
Yes. You paying? I'm just. No.
Okay.
Damn it.
Thanks, Ben.
Okay, 7 me, 3 Erica. Do you think we can get like 3 more honks from somebody? All right, there's another car behind us. Let's hope they pick you. Come on, buddy.
And she's taking a picture of it.
She's taking a picture of it.
Yeah.
I can't even see.
I can see her online.
You can see her in yours?
And she's taking a picture. She's like, Snapchat. Snapchat, missus.
I had so much hope in myself. I thought I was really gonna win this because like the first person that honked was like for Erica. So yeah,
but I guess
it flipped totally. Like it just like completely flipped. Well, it's because I got comboed. I had 2 girls sandwiched me basically, and just like bam, 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 bam. I was like, okay, cool. Should've. Oh, bro! He honked twice, bro. He said he was sorry. He said I'm sorry though. It's okay. No, I can't be mad at him. All right, that's 8. That's 8 me, 3 Erica. Okay.
Where am I going, buddy?
Make a left. Right on light. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Like, don't ever let Erica drive your car.
Listen.
Don't ever let her drive your car.
I always get from point A to B.
Yeah. Like, almost.
Put 8 for you.
I'm changing. Okay, so I'm just gonna give up. Erica won this. I got like 8 points, I think. Erica got like 3. She said she wants some McDonald's, so I'll get her like a fries and like a Big Mac. You want that? Yeah?
I want to make chicken.
McChicken? Okay, fine, deal. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this and want us to do another social experiment like this and just have like random strangers pick and decide what we do, smash the like button or comment down below. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. I again apologize for not posting like that frequent on this channel. We've been doing mukbangs on the second channel, but catch you guys in the next video. Peace out and dose.